Hello everyone, my name is Wilton Givens, a part of Trident University International in the DOC600 course known as Introduction to Doctoral Studies and Research Methods. This is for Module 5's SLP. The title or the research study that I'm looking at the moment is What are the effects on productivity through telework? The rationale behind this study for me is to better help firms or businesses deal with the changing needs of the working people, as well as to help those organizations or businesses understand that telework can improve their firm's production or productivity in three ways. One being, the first is to raise worker satisfaction, which goes back to understanding and dealing with the changing needs of the working people. As we all know that COVID-19 has happened, and it has created and enhanced a new paradigm for how people are willing to and expecting to work on many different levels in this new day and age of the working people. The second is to bolster or strengthen work efficiency, and also to improve the circulation of information within the work environment among employees or workers. We all know that those that are satisfied with their work conditions or where they are working or what they're doing are more likely to share that information or share information and help others within the organization. So some research questions that could come out of those rationales could be questions like, number one, does the aspect of different time zones, especially across the U.S., affect telework application in the area of productivity? Question two, how can the problem of workers feeling isolated when using telework affect productivity? As well as, number three, is there a lack of focus when teleworking? And to what effect or extent is that matter comprehended? Literature review. The first topic literature review will cover is how telework works through the lens of existing with different time zones. As well as the second topic covered is how to deal with the lack of focus when using telework. The third could be how to deal with the problem of loneliness or isolation when using telework. One of the methodologies or main methodologies I plan to use is focus groups. I feel this would be appropriate for answering the research questions by gathering the views of various people within control, as well as using those focus groups will help to engage the views of all of those people within the targeted group, organization, firm, department, or team that will be used in those focus groups. The significance of this research for me is the research will help organizations and corporations to deal with the issues of people feeling isolated, people losing focus, and people or employees working in different time zones, which could yield a drawback or problems of reliability when using telework. Also, to help those businesses by letting them understand how to deal with these problems, that the employees of the corporation can be better aligned with the means of ensuring that the drawbacks or the problems of telework on productivity is limited to minimum, if not eliminated altogether. Here is a reference list for some of the references I have used, or most of the references I have used to create this. And I just want to take the time to thank each and every one of you for taking out the time to listen to me as I pitch just a small portion of my study proposal. Thank you all. Have a great one.